Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So I decided to come out here. This is a relatively new trail in the past couple of years. The Robinson Reserve. I've never been here, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad you're all with me. Let's enjoy this walk for a little while. Oh, this is really cool. That's really cool. I had no idea this was back here. I'd like to go down there sometime. Yeah, I'd like to go out there. See that flat part? I'd like to go see what that is. But that will be for another day. Looks like we got a little, another little viewing area up here. Oh, a couple of them. That's just another view of the wetlands. This might be how I can get down there, though. Yeah, look at that. A wetland restoration project. Oh yeah. Cool. For a minute and just soak it in. You guys have to see this cloud line. Watch this. See those clouds? I don't think the camera's doing it justice, but they're so cool. All right. I sat at that bench for probably a half an hour, just soaking up the sun and the breeze, the sound of the train in the distance. I guess I'll head back to my truck now. This is a really short loop. I have definitely seen evidence of coyotes out here. So that's cool. I'd like to be around here at night and see if they can hear them howling. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. This was just a quick walk to clear my mind before work. I just wanted to get outside, and I'm glad you guys could come with me. I hope you all are having a beautiful day, and I hope you're all finding joy in this day. I'm heading to my truck so I can head to work, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.